Tommy Trader here, ISRG. Yes, this is the bellwether. We talked about it when we decided to exit that trade. It's there on the YouTube channel. That was on 12/28. Then we had the pullback and we tested major support level. But let us not forget one thing that's very important about that daily chart is the sell signal. We do have a daily sell signal. And today, the breakout, this is one of the bigger gainers that we have in the biotech sector, in the healthcare sector. We have exactly a 5.52% gain, up $18 on this big intraday gainer today. And let me tell you, we trade the options on these things on ISRG. And just to let you know, on this big one, the $340 calls is what we had originally purchased, and then we moved in and we bought the 330 calls where we had a fairly decent sized move. The low was $6 and the high is $7.81. Now, when we take a look at the Friday expiration, that's what we're looking at right there. So the 325 calls also had a great move. Back to the daily chart. Now, let us not forget about one thing on ISRG. ISRG has a resistance level that's going to be right up here where the consolidation failed and the pullback, which was 4 days. We started actually buying over here on the 310 calls as well. This is the gainer, the top winning gainer. We have several others, but this was one that we have been trading for a number of years, and we're always on this one. It provides us big gains. Sign up for the free 5-day trial. Sign up to the YouTube channel.